Snowmobiles really are helping to create a whole new demographic of people that are getting out in the mountains. It's kind of the crossover. The people that were ski touring before or heli skiing, now this is like the poor man's helicopter.
I just like having that opportunity, that access. I mean, the skiing that you can get off a snowmobile is unprecedented.
It really is creating this new sport of the sled skiing, and those people are coming together, and that's why we're out here, is because we all enjoy the mountains, and that's the really cool part. If you want to sled ski, 175, 850, Summit. You're going places.
Riding a snowmobile in the Andes is one of the most mind-blowing experiences because the range is so massive and you're just surfing through the mountains and you're looking around, and it is just, there's nothing like it.
The Stellar crew really had great terrain choices, and really the proficiency on the snowmobile side of it, they got that dialed.
The future is combining it all into one epic adventure and having the ability to combine the sleds and the skiing while chasing the best snow around the globe, whether we're in South America or in our backyard in Idaho.